And land.
Good.
Is that good? Now I'm gonna earn a dress. What is a princess? A princess is a lid.
Close. It's polite.
Plate.
You know what polite means?
Nice. What is a princess? A princess is polite.
Polite.
Polite. I said that.
Okay.
Think you said beauty.
No. Sound it out. Says.
Bear.
Close.
Bear.
Read the next word. You'll probably figure it out. What's the next word after?
Rose. Beauty rose.
No. What's
Rose.
Says briar rose.
Briar rose.
That's right.
Which one is briar rose?
Right there.
Sleeping Beauty.
Sleeping Beauty.
Oh.
Right, remember, that's her other name.
So